multiple friends hit me up and say, dude, why did you not take your Pro R out there and try to beat Max's time and Chad's time in the Pro R? You've loved your Pro R. It's done so good for you. It's been reliable, and it has. It's been an amazing car. I don't know why I didn't. So guess what? I'm going back out there with the Pro R. I'm going to try to throw down a hot lap in the Pro R, and we'll see how it goes. Fingers sticking to the button. Like, it's getting stuck on it.
So the finish there was great, Dallin. We got that on film too. I don't know if you were aware, but the track actually is on this side of the culvert.
No one told me that.
No one told you that?
No.
I mean, I may have been known to go on that side too, but not that bad.
With the derby car.
With the derby car.
Oh man,
So what do you think?
It's bleeding so bad, it's just sticking to the red button.
So you're on the IR list.
It hurts.
Injured reserve. We're gonna put you on the.
Yeah, like this kills. I don't think I can do another lap. My goal was really just to beat Chad.
And what was Chad's?
Because I can be a second at least. And Chad's a 5:05. So is that what I am? The same as him? No way.
So
5:04.
Had you came in faster,
if I hadn't messed that up, I got another second maybe. Well, because I barely passed
and you let up a
0.4.
lot.
Yeah, I let up way too much.
You should have done that.
I think I got another lap in me to get another second.
Another lap, huh?
Are you gonna put air in your tires so you can get faster?
Yeah.
Oh, good job, Dallin.
14 just.
It's a little low for a 33-inch DSR. I feel like you're gonna get 2 seconds out of it.
2?
2.
I hope.
Yeah, I think you're gonna get 2 seconds.
Pretty tippy, so I'm hoping it helps get rid of my tip.
It'll help a little bit. Maybe. I could be full bloating.
We'll see. If I tip, then it's your fault.
No.
I can't keep the freaking I can't keep the sport mode on like at all in this car.
Why?
Because then it just goes everywhere.
Yeah, it's probably best to not. I don't think this is the place for it.
I'm running mine in slow mode.
Yeah.
But in this specifically, it is so. I mean, it is 100% just throttle range. I feel like the Maverick R, there is a difference in feel and power.
Yep.
But with the Polaris, it is just straight up a throttle difference. I want more control of my throttle. Well, I got a 4 already, right?
Yeah. You gotta
See if I can get a 3 or 2 in me.
No, when I say a 4, I mean a 499.
59. 59.
459. 459.
There's not 100 seconds in a minute.
Oh.
Hey, listen here, you bean counter. You may be better with numbers than me.
Hopefully.
You're thinking maybe, I don't know, that's 5 seconds I gotta pull? I don't think I can get 5 out of it.
You don't think you can get 5 out of it? All right, well, let's go for a 2 then.
Well, I got much better tire PSI now.
Yeah.
Instead of 12, 14, 22, and 17. Now they're all 18.
Well, good. I think you're on the path for a 2.
I'm on the path to success.
Yes. Is that 440? Wow.
Maybe.
Wow.
Oh!
Boom.
He almost lost it too. He almost lost it.
Had he not freaking got off, had he not fucking pulled back, he would have got it.
We're gonna have to pull out what Max's was. So you almost lost it.
Huh?
You're floating right here pretty good.
Yeah.
We got a really good action shot of you almost tipping. We don't know what Max's point was, and you're 5 flat.
No.
Good job, Ricky.
Good job, bud.
How do you feel about your tires?
A lot better. When I was driving, I was like, this was a good idea.
So we don't actually know what, I don't remember what Max's
What was the point? What was it?
0.88.
So he might have you beat.
Yeah, I bet he. Well, I mean, there was like 4 different ones. So it's whatever one you go off. I'd just say we're pretty well a tie, but maybe
It's this, cut this.
in this scenario, maybe I do another another effort. You know? If I know like I'm not off, you know, like if all I need to grab is 0.8, there's got to be a way I find 0.8 out of this. Well, there's no way I'm giving up on a 0.8. You know, I mean.
You can bust it out, bring another phone out.
You got a 499 in you.
You
A
get
459. A 459.
459. There's not 100 seconds.
As long as I get a 459.99, that's a win.
Yeah.
Bust 2 phones out, so we got proof double.
Yes. Double the brubble.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
You gotta shake it off?
No, I don't know. You shake nothing off. Now I'm excited.
Yes!
If I had some tires, some fresh tire, I think I'd definitely have pulled a 0.8. Like down in the sand wash, like I'm not even moving. I feel like I'm just like, and I'm not gaining much.
Yep.
Momentum.
16, 17.
No, he's like 15. Kid's
Oh,
young.
really?
I mean, I'll give Max props. Like he taught
absolutely.
me. Like out here, I watched him run,
Yeah.
and I'm like, okay, I need to be in the throttle more on the corners.
Yep. Absolutely.
I will give the speed car props.
Yep.
It can be in the throttle in the corners more than I can, but he taught me a lot there. Like I learned a lot from him. You know, so
That's all you can do. Learn from the people that
learn
are
from
faster
the
than you.
best, right?
Yep.
That was the same with the dunes. Like we sucked 3 years ago. We were slow on the dunes. We didn't know how to read them. But then we went out with a fast guy here and this other fast guy, and we learned a lot. It's just trying to find people that are faster than you.
Yep.
And you can
Absolutely.
learn.
Absolutely.
All right, let's do this. 0.8. Here I come, Max.
Got this.
Whoa! That was pretty close.
I don't know if I was any faster, but I had a lot less tipping points with that rear tire on. I mean, I still had like 1 or 2 that were pretty up there, but maybe a couple less that were like side. Did I get 0.8 out of that?
0.7.
No way. One more. I'll do another. I'm so close now. I got to.
So actually, you did get 0.8. If we average them out, you did get 0.8. But you
Exactly.
didn't get 0.88. You got point.
So I got
even.
I got 5.13. He got 5.05.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not stopping. I mean, if I'm 0.05 off, I'm not stopping until I get a 4 in there.
That a boy, Ricky Bobby.
I didn't think that was doable.
It's doable.
I knew it
wrong?
was. You got a Pro R.
When you come in hot, man.
Go get him, Ricky Bobby. One more. One more. One more. He knows he's so close. Well, it's so close.
Where
You
I'm
know
going,
that,
I gotta
like,
be the
after you do it so many times, you're like, I know where I messed up. I know where I messed up.
And then you start messing up other places, though.
Well, then
At
you
least
start
that's where I am.
overthinking it, right? You start overthinking it.
Well, you get ahead of yourself, and you're like, I thought I was here. That's
Yeah.
what I do. I'm not that good though, so.
Yeah,
That
I'm.
probably
Oh, it happens to me. I promise you. I slowed down last time we were out here. I slowed down like 4 seconds through the day.
I think you should.
I vote 2.
Whoopsie.
Whoopsie.
I'm out of fuel.
You're out of fuel.
I'm slower.
2 seconds.
Was it starting to run out of fuel on you? Or is it just okay?
Just not doing it.
You're screwing-
It's like that
you're
last
getting
time
in your
I
own
was here.
head, dude.
It's like the last time I was here. I just got slower. Once I got my fast point, then I just slowed down.
Dang it.
Well, you know you got it though. I mean, you really get some new tires,
Yeah, I'm
bro.
pretty sure you're the fastest guy in your
I know
track
somebody
again,
that'll
so.
sell you some.
Well, it
I
depends
don't
on
like
his
ending on a
point.
tie.
Yeah, I know, right?
All right, so this was awesome. I really wasn't expecting any of this at all. At the end of the day, really my ultimate goal was just to beat Chad in the Mav R. He had a 5.05, but it was quite the gap for me because I was like a 5.11 at the time. So I just thought that was going to be difficult in itself. I really didn't think I had any chance of getting up there with Max, but I will say this, I learned a lot from him, and that's the big thing I want to take away from this video is find people that are faster than you because you can learn a lot from them. I watched Max run our track and I was like, holy crap, every corner he was just railing. A lot of no fear, I noticed also. So I just tried to really just imitate him as much as I could, which the problem is I imitated him to a T, to the point where we freaking tied. We're a 5, we're just a 5 flat. I did notice at the end of the day when we were loading it up, I just happened to, because there's hook points by the shocks, I happened to touch the shock and I noticed it was really hot. And I think I was getting more and more uncomfortable. My shocks were getting hot as I was trying to get out on a hotter lap. But stay tuned. We are going to make it out to the track right before the season ends. It's going to get really hot here soon. So we're going to run back out there and I'm going to try to see if I can actually beat his time because it just drives me crazy having a tie. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Peace.